Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Hiccups start when your diaphragm suddenly contracts, making your vocal cords snap shut and create that hic sound. Common triggers include eating too fast, drinking fizzy drinks, sudden excitement, or temperature shifts. Usually, they stop on their own as the nerve signals fade. Quick fixes like holding your breath or sipping water can help reset your diaphragm fast.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.